What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Mariah Corinne, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be something that I have not done on my channel before. Tank, I am filming. For those who have animals, you understand. 1 second. It's like he only decides to be obnoxious when I'm on the phone or he hears me filming or doing something. Anyway, today is gonna be a really fun video. I am setting up my music equipment. I have decided to put it in this lovely corner here. So I purchased these 2 shelves from IKEA, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna go 1, 2 because I need space to put my speaker and I didn't want to take up my desk space. So first thing we're gonna do is hang the shelves, and then I'm gonna pull all the music equipment out and try to get my corner set up. So let's stay tuned if y'all are interested to see how I set up my in-home studio. Okay, y'all, so I decided that the plant that I had on the wall was gonna look weird with the shelves. So I took that down, and now I'm gonna figure out how high I wanna place the shelf.
Oh, yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. She causing a scene. Outdoors, everybody watching we, all the in-laws. I don't want no problems, why you don't leave it? If this thing is love, then I really don't need it. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the bumper. I just want to have some fun.
Okay, y'all, that took me longer than I anticipated. It's not the best job, and this one's kind of crooked, but this is a DIY. We're gonna do it ourselves. So I'm gonna see if the shelf grooves will fit. And actually, now looking at it, these 2 over here are like really crooked, but it's okay. We're gonna make it work. So I'm gonna try to hang these shelves. Hopefully they're sturdy and they work. And this nose ring. And we're just gonna see how it goes. Don't laugh at me.
Everybody watching, too hot for TV. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends, leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the bumper. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She up with business out on the road.
So my drill died on me. I just have to finish screwing that other screw, but in the meantime I switched my nose ring. What do y'all think? I don't know how I feel about the hoop. Like, I don't know if the hoop looks weird on my face, you know? Comment down below and then let me know like what you feel about like the hoop versus the stud. But once the drill finishes charging, I'm gonna finish this up so we can get to the rest of the process, because I mean, we still have to set up the equipment. Clearly you can see that it's not perfect. This one's definitely a little crooked, but it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It'll do for the purpose in which I need it to do. Okay, now we can get into the fun stuff, the equipment. So the speakers that I purchased are the PreSonus 3.5s, and forgive me if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. I am self-teaching, I'm self-taught, so yeah, but these are just like a basic level. I will see if I can find the link that I ordered them. I feel like I ordered these off of Amazon, and I want to say they were roughly around like $100, maybe a little bit under $100. But this works for the purpose of just my room and the mixing and mastering that I'll be doing. This is the XLR cable that I believe, if I remember correctly, is used to connect my mic to my audio interface, which I purchased the Focusrite, the Scarlett Focusrite, and this is the smaller one for the singer-songwriter. And then we have, for the mic, I chose the Audio-Technica. This one is the A2020 If you've done any research as far as music equipment, you know that this is just a good base level mic for like a beginner singer-songwriter. And then I also bought the Audio-Technica headphones. These are the M40X's, and yeah, I'll see if I can go back and find the prices for all of these. Well, let me say the current pricing. When I originally purchased these items, it was about maybe a year ago now, almost a little under a year. So I'll see if I can find updated pricing for all of these items to give you an estimate of how much it'll cost. And this is just a basic mic, a basic mouse that I got off Amazon. Some more cables, which I don't even think I needed these the last time, but let's see, anything else? No. Oh, and then my mic stand. 1 second. Okay, so this mic stand I bought off of Amazon. It is pretty large. It did come with the pop filter, so and it has a shield as well. I'm probably not going to leave this up in my room 24/7, but I do have a pretty large walk-in closet, so I keep my ring light in my closet, so I'll also probably keep the mic stand in my closet as well, and then just pull it out whenever I need to use it. But nonetheless, we're gonna set it up because I have something that I want to record.
You're showing off, yeah. Huh. Now everybody go know how you're so. You're showing off, yeah. Now everybody go see. They find out for free. I just want to join the line, drink a rum in paradise, have a good time with my friends. Leave me, let me live my life. I want to hold on to girl and jam up the bumper. I just want to have some fun, but this girl is thunder. She have we business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Watch out, she business out on the road. All we business out on the road. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh, oh oh. Eh 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 eh. Oh oh. Ah.
that's expired and I don't want to spend the money right now. So I'm just going to use GarageBand. So I'm just going through here and updating GarageBand on my MacBook, and we'll get everything all set up once I get GarageBand set up. Great party people. So I have my GarageBand set up. I don't know if you guys, let me see if I can zoom in so you can see. I have it hooked up to the mic. To do that, I simply went to GarageBand settings, audio, MIDI, and then I have it set to the Scarlett Solo. Everything is connected to my Focusrite. This is the Scarlett Solo. So I have my headphones here, you can see connected. The microphone is connected there. Bam, bam, bam. Let me take y'all off the tripod. Let me just talk to y'all for a second. Okay, so yeah, so I have everything connected, and then I have the speakers connected to the Scarlett as well, and then the Scarlett is connected to my MacBook here. So I have this audio coming into my headphones so I can hear myself as I'm talking to you guys. But yeah, this is basically how you set everything up. This is going to be the final result for right now. As I continue to learn and grow, if there's things that need to be added, then I'll definitely add those things. But this is it. Thanks for watching so much. If you made it to the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below and I'll try to answer it to the best of my abilities. Love you guys. Bye.